Hey kids, welcome to Lesson 9, Looping in Random Numbers, Part 3. Now try it, looping with random values. This lesson right here directly goes with the test your knowledge from the previous lesson. We're going to test our theory that the code that we're going to write is going to add a bunch of little circles that are different size, different colors, all throughout our screen. Let's hit run here. Wow, that's exactly what happened. So it ran 100 times. Let's take a look at the instructions here and see what it says. If you add some randomness to the turtle behavior inside a loop, the program will run a little different every time, which makes for a very cool effect. You're about to see a program in which the turtle moves at a random location each iteration of the loop and draws a randomly sized dot that also has a random color. We've also made the dot semi-transparent by setting the alpha value to 0.5 or 50% transparency. Do this. Figure out how many iterations, number of times the loop runs. You will need to consistently fill the screen entirely with dots so none of the background is showing. It should be a little different every time, so you'll need to experiment. Compare what you found with the neighbor, see how close you are, and move on. Two things here. First, our prediction from the test your knowledge was correct. We did get a bunch of very pretty circles and dots. I love it, very nice. Second is we need to figure out how to completely cover the screen with these little dots. So what I need to do now is to work on my loop or my for block. And we're at 100 right now. That nearly doesn't cover the screen. Let's add another 0. Reset run. Ooh, very pretty. Still not very close. Let's up our game. 4,000. It's getting closer. I think I see a little white. I don't know. Oh, I see a little white speck. Maybe. I guess that looks pretty good. I would say 4,000 completely covers the screen. So in this one, we accomplished the two things we needed to do here. We covered the screen and we tested our hypothesis from the test your knowledge. Let's hit finish and see how we did. Good job, kids. I'll see you on the next lesson.